Oh!
To an aeroplane. The problem is when you're. Where the f are you going? Is he on the phone or is he pissed? The speed limit, I still wouldn't be behind you. Jesus Christ, you didn't even look. So you know where your accelerator is, so my next question is, excuse me, was you taxing?
Yeah, it's fine.
Stupid thing, innit?
Yep. Red light, full Taylor.
Okay. Doesn't know where it's going, but looks like it.
Yep.
Oh,
Cheeky twat, he was right behind us.
no. Calm and all. But he's done it again.
Oh! Caught that! Jesus. Courser just wasn't looking where he was going.
A few moments later.
Part of the
objective. Yeah.
Of the objective in the beginning.
Just very brief. What did you make of the Oval Office? The performance with which this was unveiled, with the president really being so nice about this incredible country, the United Kingdom, all of that kind of the loving that the Prime Minister and President were having.
Well, that's always.
You can't park there, sir.
If you want your clip in a future compilation, submit it using the Dropbox link below. Please remember to complete the submission form, otherwise we cannot use your clip. And finally, thank you for watching. But remember to subscribe and hit that bell.